3, 2, 1.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching this video. Welcome to FutureCoin apps and airdrops. Just in case this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel or my video on YouTube, please do click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell notification icon so you can always be the first to get updates whenever I drop new airdrop video on this channel. Today I'm going to be teaching us on how we could participate on a new airdrop which is known as Lither Airdrop. So in this video I'm going to be putting us through the step-by-step guide. Currently this is my Telegram channel which I posted the link, so I'll be clicking on this link from my Telegram channel. Now when I click on the link, I will have to select the browser which I want to use. I'll click on Chrome. When I click on Chrome, it directs me to this next page and it's indicating I install. And just in case, for example, yours is not showing install, what you have to do, you come to the menu here. When you click on these three dots on the header section, you click on install. You can see install, which is the third option here. So you install, so you can have the application here on your phone, but I'll be dropping the link below this video so you can do that. So I'll have to install and I'll click on install again. Please ensure you do that by clicking on install. Now after a few seconds the application has completely installed, so the next thing I'll do, I'll click on open. When I click on open, it brings me to this current interface. Now the next thing I have to do, I have to ensure I enter my email ID. So I'll enter my email address here. So if you're watching this video, you also have to ensure you enter your email address, which you would have to receive the OTP so you can validate your account. Now after which I have entered my email address, the next thing I'll do, I'll click on send OTP. But if you already have an account, what you just have to do, you click on sign in. So because we don't have an account, we don't have to click on sign in. We only have to follow this procedure by entering our email here, then click on send OTP. Now OTP sent to you successfully. So what I have to do, I'll go to my email and copy the OTP. But before I do that, I will have to enter my information here. So if you look at this interface currently, we have welcome to sign up account. Now this is where you have your email address. Now this is where you have to input your OTP, but what I would advise is that you input your information fastly before it expires. But even if it expired the counting here, you can also click on resend. So what we have to do next, we have to enter our complete username, your full username. If your name is Desmond Matthew, you enter your complete name. Now the next thing you have to do, your username is your nickname. Now after which you've done that, you enter your referral code. Now if you're watching this video, ensure to use my referral code, which is FutureCoin, and I will also paste it here so you can also copy and use. Now after you've input your referral code, the next thing you have to do, you also have to enter your password. Enter password. Then after you've entered password, you have to confirm the password here. Now after which you've confirmed the password, the other options which we have here is enter Twitter ID, which is optional, and enter your Telegram ID, which is also optional. Then I'll pause this video and input my information so we can continue the process together. Now after which I've entered my information, so the next thing I have to do, I'll click on resend so I can get the OTP and put here. So I'll have to navigate to my email. The OTP has been sent to my email. You can see later So I'll click on it and copy this OTP, and when I click on copy, I'll go back to the application and I'll paste it here. Now that is all you have to do. Now I have to change the country to my current location, Nigeria. Now after which I've done that, the next thing I'll have to do, I'll click on this sign up. Ensure you do that so you don't miss it. Okay, opening this app for the first time. This is how it will display. We have a lot of information on the interface. Now what you have to do here on the header section, we have your profile information. Here it enables you change some information about your profile. Here we also have profile information. Here we have invites. Here we have Lither family. Then here we have wallet. Then here you have your current balance of what you have earned. Then if you look at the footer section, here we have boosts. Now currently I earn 0.0014 Lither every hour. So the more persons you invite, the more you can increase your mining rates per hour. But now some of these things we also have to know. Now if you want to start mining this app, what you have to do, you have to click on this round circle and it would start mining. I've already done that before now, so I just have to ensure I put you through the process on how you could create an account. Now if we come to profile, here on profile we have our user information. You have your username, you have your rename, you have your nationality, your country, you have your email, and you have the person that invites you, and you also have the introducer name. To go back to the home page, we have to click on this backspace at the header section. Now we have invite. Just in case you are watching this video and you're asking how can I invite my friends and loved ones to join, you click on invite. Now here on invite you can copy your username. Here is your username which you can copy. All you have to do is click on this place and you copy your username, or you can also click on this share here, and when you click on it, it will direct you to the next interface where you have other social platform which you can share your link on. Now let's go back to the home page by clicking on this backspace at the header section. Now the Lither family, here we have Lither family. Let's check what we have here on Lither family. Now you have those which you have invited to join. So when you invite someone, that information would display here. Currently I've invited just 2 persons, so the more persons you invite, that information would display here. So we also have to take it back by going to the header section and clicking backspace, so it will take us to the main home page. Now we have our wallet. The good thing about this application is that it comes with its own wallet. So when we click on wallet, you have your current balance. What you earn would display here. Now you can deposit and you can withdraw, but currently it is not valid. You can see it indicates coming soon, coming soon. So as time goes on, it would be available. You have airdrop reward. For those you invite, you have an airdrop reward of 0.1. So when you invite someone, you tend to earn 0.1 points. So let's take it back to the home page by coming back to the header section and clicking on the backspace. Now we also have miner category. Let's click on this miner category. Here on miner category we have different level. Now on level 1 is here which I am currently. Now your level 1 depending on the number of persons you refer. Now your level 2 also depend on the numbers of persons you refer. Now if you invite 25 persons, you would automatically grow from level 2 explorer, which is inviting 5 persons, to socializer. Now here we have level 4 achiever, to become an achiever, you have to invite 50 persons, and for each of these level you have what you earn. Now for level 1 you earn 0.1 just by inviting or not inviting. Then for from level 2, being an explorer, you have to invite 5 persons, and what you earn per hour is 0.15, 0.15. Then your level 3, being a socializer, you earn 0.18 per hour. Then for being an achiever, you earn 0.20 per hour. Then the highest level here we have the killer. Now the killer means you have to invite 100 persons who are active, and you will be earning 0.25 per hour. Now let's go back to the home page by clicking on the backspace at the header section. Now when we come to the home page, if we scroll further, we also have some information here. Now here we have global mining dictates. Now the total of this coin, which is mine, is currently 1 million. So it's a new project. So the total persons mining this coin currently is 226,649. So I would rather advise you to register on time and earn as much of this coin before it minutes. Now here on the footer area, we also have our referral information. Here is where we have our referral information. So your username would display here. You can also just click on this place and copy and share to your loved ones and friends if you want them to join. Now they also have their social media account here on the footer section. You can follow them on Facebook, you can follow them on Telegram, you can follow them on Instagram, you can follow them on X, formerly known as Twitter, you can follow them on LinkedIn, and you can also follow them on Telegram. They have 2 Telegram channel here, so whichever one you choose to follow, that will be fine. Now let's check this header section and see what we can do from this part of the header section. Now here on the header section, we also have similar information which we have already talked about. Here we have change password if you want to change your password. Here we have reward. Here we have Lither family. Then here we have top Lither family achiever. Then we have Lither wallet, top miners, support, white paper, and sign out. Now we already know most of the information here, but if we check at this top Lither family, here we have those who are on the top of this airdrop, those who are currently leading on their leaders board. Here we have this person who has earned 3,638 of this token. Now the 4th person here is a Nigerian. You can see he has earned 3,585, and that's a great effort. To earn that score is not easy, because if you look at the mining rate per hour, you know that it takes a lot of hard work to earn this. So that can also be you if you put on more effort. Now let's come back to their support. Here on the support, you can submit a ticket simply by clicking on this option here, and follow the next step guide so you can submit your ticket. Now if we come to the white paper, which is the second to last option, if we click on white paper, it will direct us to the Lither white paper. You can read more about this project, so you can have complete information about this project. Now let's take it back, and the last information we have here is the sign out. I'm not going to sign out now, I'm still on the app. This video has been helpful to you. Do ensure to give this video a thumbs up, and do ensure to use my referral code, and also do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also click on the bell notification icon. I remain your friend Desmond on Money Coin apps and airdrops. You have a wonderful day, and bye for now.